I'm too hard on myself. You don't need nobody else. I'm too hard on myself, I swear.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Gislaine.
I'm Jordan.
And today we're going to be reacting to
Danielle Bregoli reacts to nature.
So yeah, her video is 3 minutes and 48 seconds, so we're about to start it right now. And guys, please, before we start, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And definitely subscribe so you guys can join our family. We also realized that by doing this reaction video, you guys actually watch it and actually like it. So that's why we're going to be doing more of reactions video of, you know, Danielle Bregoli and many more YouTubers that you guys like as well. So without further ado, let's get ready to start now.
Hey bitches, today I'm going to be watching some animals and seeing what goes on in nature. Hey bitch, just start her shit. I want to pet a deer really bad. I want to like cuddle with its face. It's just like, hey bitch, I see you, but I don't give a fuck because I got shit to do and you're irrelevant in my life. Are these bees fucking? Is that what pollinating is? That they're fucking? Right? Pollination is recreating. So this is like bee porn. They're fucking. Somebody's recording it.
How old is she again?
14.
14. She got her fake nails.
Oh, I hate
Her
spiders.
tattoo and everything.
Why do spiders
I heard
do
she
this?
got
Like,
implants
they're
on her
all,
boobs.
People are saying that, but I don't think it's true.
Fuck that. Imagine the bitches crawling on you and shit. Ugh, I just got the goosebumps. I'm holding my breath. I'm dead. I'm done. He's like, bitch, I'm hungry. Eating my food, eating my seeds, bitch. Bust down on his seeds. It's a chipmunk. Oh my god, cheek. Look at your cheeks. Oh my god, look at his little nose. If anybody fucks with one of them squirrels or them chipmunks or them hamsters, I would beat the shit out of them. So you better hope you don't got braces, then you go get stepped on. Sleeping bee. How the fuck? Why is he twerking while he's sleeping? He's like sleeping and twerking. It's when you're sleeping and hard and the pain comes.
But real talk, she's actually funny though. It's not she does too much, but she's funny at certain times.
This
And
slow
she's so
ass
rude.
motherfucker.
Yeah, she's
What's
just very
he doing? Ooh, slimy ass. Look at that booty.
She ain't got no
Ooh,
booty.
I hate ants. I fucking hate ants. I don't fuck with any bugs, especially cockroaches. Ew, the fuck is that? Why do it look like right there a little buggy's just chilling, like with his legs in the water and shit? Alright, that shit looks nasty. Ew, I hate worms. But for real, I wanna know why like that buggy's just chilling. You see it? Look like he's just chilling. He's like, what's up, bitch? Whoa.
His leg got snatched.
What the fuck?
Food chain.
Wait, what? What
Shit.
is on his leg? Oh my god, they took his fucking leg off!
Is that a trip coming out?
I'm gonna eat your
I
ass.
think it's a baby. I think she was probably pregnant.
Bitch, y'all wanted it. Bitch, fuck y'all. Y'all scared of me. I'm literally, that's me. That's me, and then that's Adam, and that's Dan, and that's Frank. All scared of me. They're running from my little ass, cow ass bitch. You think because you got horns, you the shit. Bitch, am I the shit now because I got horns? Ooh, they finna take your baby, bitch. You ain't finna do shit about it. Look, now you trying to attack your own baby, dumbass. Oh, you got your baby. I forgot wild cows existed. I didn't realize how evil cheetahs are. That's probably like a jaguar or something. I don't know. It's whatever the fuck it is. I'm gonna call it a cheetah. Okay, bitches. That shit was really weird, but toodles, subscribe.
Alright guys, that was that. Yeah, I mean actually, honestly speaking, she's kind of funny. She's just very disrespectful and very rude. And she just needs to watch her language, so yeah. What do you think?
I mean, yeah, that's how she appear in public. So
Yeah. And I think that's actually how she is, so yeah. So guys, we hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up once again, and definitely subscribe down below. Turn that red button gray. Yeah, and if you already subscribed, don't forget to turn on our notification so you guys can get update whenever we post. Okay, we'll catch you guys on our next video. Bye.